fly. Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack, Real Madrid, in the blink of an eye. And you wondered whether Ronaldo still had the pace to get away from Gerard Piqué. He did. And he's just waiting. You know exactly what he's going to do. Takes the touch. Here we see Barcelona in the attack. Rakitic misses the chance to take on the shot. And immediately Real Madrid break. Ronaldo into Isco, return pass. And from here, it's a clear sight on goal for Ronaldo, as it cuts inside on his right foot.
In the name of Allah. Hello dear friends. Welcome to this tutorial. What do we want to say in this tutorial clip? Introduction. Now you see this image comments without CSS, and the goals I'm going to show this very beautiful CSS. So if you want to know how to create design comment form, join me. The first, you see comment and without CSS, and go to source project. Let's go. Before start, write the source code and click right, inspect element, ID, comments, all of area you can see. Now let's go and write source code. Comments with 100% and floats left and margin top 10 pixels. After comments title. Okay, let's go. Comments title and use font 20 pixels, and before use Roboto Black and download fonts, web fonts and Roboto Black TF and fontless, introduction, font family, Roboto Black, WOF and TTF. Okay, and use Roboto Black. Okay, now oil command list. Continue. Oil dot comment with 100% and margin top down 20 pixels, left right 0, float left. Okay, refresh. Now oil command list, and I love WordPress, inspect element and paragraph CSS. Okay, now Control D, Control Shift down, P paragraph, heading top left, top down 0, 750 px, margin bottom 10 px, and margin left 45 px, and refresh. Okay, I love WordPress. Now you see comment even and comment other odd. Now CSS you use even and odd. Okay, command list, Control D, Control Shift down, command list that's even, and command list odd, even background and border 1px solid, and E2 border bottom 2px and solid, E6 E6. Okay, padding and position, refresh. Okay, even and odd. Now we use all of the options for odd. Okay, you can use all of the options and the CSS for odd. Also you use dot even and delete. Okay, and refresh, and no problem. Now you see odd. Okay, you can see background white. You can see these images and li depth 1, li depth 2, li depth 3, and independent management policy. In these settings, discussion, and enable thread nested command level dips. Now we'll command list li depth 2, margin left 120px or 110px, the 3 120, the 4 103, depth 5 104. Independent management policy, discussion settings, and 5 level. Now refresh, and you see in depth 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now CSS ahref. Okay, comment metadata. Okay, comment metadata A, position absolute 53px, and left 82px, and color number 999, and font size 10px. Refresh, and not good position, and change it. Edit link dot comment position top and left. Refresh and edit. Log out, for example, new comment ABC Sylvester 1 post comment, and You see your comment is awaiting moderation. This preview, your comment will be visible after it has been approved. Inspect, comment awaiting moderation, class. Now continue, margin left 69 px and refresh, and perfect. Now reply, position absolute and left and bottom, reply A, font color 88, top down 5 px and left right 15 px, border radius, background, and the color, change it, border bottom, and reply A, hover, and color. Okay, refresh and reply. Perfect. Hover. Now you see not perfect, and date on name and miss. Now inspect A and Lauren says, for example, inspect and side class fn. Okay, and let's go change it, .fn, position left 18 px, top 10, background, color, border bottom, border radius, and padding. Okay, refresh. Okay, perfect. And you see says, and you don't need, and we can gone. Display now. Refresh. Okay. Says display now. Continue. Now and finish form comments. Continue, enter information, your email address, and inspect email comment form and comment notes. Comment notes. Just font and refresh. Your email address will not publish it. An important point: distance reply and button reply and button text. Why distance? Because policy admins, for example, policy admin settings and discussion and comments, user must register and log in into comment. Check it, save change. Let's try again. User must register, save change, save it, refresh, and log out. Okay, just you must be logged into post comment. Now log into reply. You see, log into reply. Okay, and log it. For example, David login, and refresh. Now discussion changed, unchecked, save change, permission no, cancel, log out, refresh, admin, management, and user must uncheck it and save change. Okay, refresh and log out. Continue, design, comment for label, comment for margin top, comment for label, float left, margin left, refresh. Okay, comment for input and comment for text area. Text area, and the border and border radius and the padding, top 13 px right, font size, and margin button, 10 px, and continue. Comment form input, submit, comment form input, type cursor pointer 10 px. Okay, refresh, and Ctrl Shift delete everything. Okay, refresh. Now you see this CSS and very good and perfect. Of course, you continue all of the CSS and you need to CSS. And thank you very much for this clip. Goodbye.